Hey everybody, it's your girl D here, back again with another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel and you just happen to scroll and you found this video, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my content. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, share it, join the fam. I'll be glad to have you. And if you're not brand new, I'm sorry, to this channel and you always watch my videos, thank you so much for stopping by and your continued support. I appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment for me, and check it, and continue to check me out. With that being said, I am here once again. Told you I was going to be back quick, y'all. These snow days got your girl making content like out the wazoo. This is my next diamond painting that I'm doing. And this one is a Starry Nights by Vincent van Gogh. And I'm going to go in a lot on this, okay? Because I'm going to take my time. I might sound long-winded and rambling, but I'm going to take my time with this one, okay? So if you don't like longer videos, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But let me continue on. Excuse me. So this is called Starry Nights. Again, this is from Vincent van Gogh. And this is an older canvas. Let me pull out the whatchamacallit here. This here is what the sticker looks like, the big one that I have available. This is a diamond shaped square, by the way. The size is 18.1 inches by 14.6 inches or 46 centimeters by 37 centimeters. She has in her, 27 colors, and there is one AB. Sorry for the moving camera. But yeah, one AB, which is 125, 27 colors. This is an older kit from Diamond Art Club too. You can see the schematic and the details. Excuse the scratches on my table right there. Ugh, that's ugly. I gotta fix that, but I digress. The schematic and the dimensions are here. This is an older canvas, I was saying before I got sidetracked, from Diamond Art Club. This one is available on Diamond Art Club's website. However, it is out of stock at the filming of this video. So depending on when you're watching this video, if you go to the website, you might be able to pick it up. I don't know. There's an email. You can put in your email and they'll notify you when it gets back in stock. But I got an older version of this canvas, which is why the schematic is up there and it looks really weird. I got this one from a destash group. Actually, a fellow YouTuber was destashing this canvas a couple of years ago. And I got it. And I got it from Diamond Painting with the Besties. So shout out to Diamond Painting with the Besties. I bought this from her a while ago when she was destashing. And when I saw it, I said, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. Because it wasn't available on Diamond Art Club's website at the time. But little background history on this not Diamond Art Club, but Vincent van Gogh is one of my favorite artists of all time. I love his artwork. So all of Vincent van Gogh's art that Diamond Art Club has, I do have it. So I do have Terrace at Night, and I do have the Vase with Poppies. I can't pronounce that one because my French is bad, but translated, it means Vase with Poppies. But Van Gogh is one of my favorite artists of all times. I love his art so much. And this is one of my favorite pieces of his, is Starry Night. Now, this canvas, it is small in size. But that's okay that it's small in size, because what is small in size makes up in detail. And let me tell you, this canvas has a lot of detail in it, and rightfully so, because Vincent van Gogh's art has a lot of detail in it. What do I mean by that? As you can see, this thing, let me get closer, it's confetti hell. It is confetti heavy. Do you see that? I mean, Josephine Wall, anybody? I'm just playing. I love Josephine Wall. Shout out to Josephine Wall. I love her art too. But every time I see a canvas with a lot of confetti, I think about Josephine Wall because her pieces have a lot of confetti in them always, aka a lot of detail. But yeah, this one has a lot of confetti. A lot of detail is in this canvas. I'm not gonna finish this one very quickly. I don't think. I don't think so. But like I said, what's small in size makes up in detail. I'm glad and happy that this canvas is the size that it is, because if this was any bigger, I would be overwhelmed. I'd be overwhelmed. So it's the perfect size. So just scanning over the canvas, you can see, just because this is an older canvas, like I say before, does not mean that the quality is bad. I'm sure the quality of this one is going to be very, very good as usual, because that's Diamond Art Club standard. As you can see, I pulled you closer in just to show you the clarity of the symbols. The symbols are crystal clear. So when I put my light board underneath, I'll be able to see it, but I can see this without the light board, as you can see. There's only one AB, and that's 125, number 1. And you can see ABs are all in this area right here, full of ABs. Anywhere where there's this white part, even up there, there's some ones. Over there are some. Down here in the swirl of the sky, anywhere in the swirl of the sky, there are ABs. I love the color story of this. This one is a lot of dark, deep, rich blues. A lot of dark blues. So I'm curious to see how this one turns out. Let's see. So as usual, with Diamond Art Club, in case you're new to diamond painting or Diamond Art Club, when you get a canvas from Diamond Art Club, it comes rolled up in the box, okay? This is the box. This is what the box looks like. Right here, you have Diamond Art Club, their motto, do what makes you sparkle. This is square. You know this is a square kit because there's a square shape right there, and it says square on there. If this was a round kit, it'd be pink, and this would be round. You have a picture of your canvas with your dimensions and your artists and the size of your diamonds, as well as the SKU number. And then, you have your QR code here that says scan, and you can scan that if you want to. I think it's going to take you to their website. And then on the back, it shows you how to diamond paint, what's included in your kit, and all that fun stuff here. I like it has pictures on the back here of how to diamond paint and all of that. Okay, so that's the box. And inside the box, you always will get your canvas. You will get a big sticker that looks like this here, with the same schematic on it with your dimensions and your SKU. And on this side, you have the colors and the symbols. This whole thing is a sticker. And I take these stickers and I peel these off and I put these on my containers when I kit up my kit. So it comes with that. You also will get a smaller sticker that looks like this here. With this smaller sticker, you can use this one for your logbook. You can make a cover minder out of this. You can stick this on your boxes if you want to store your diamond paintings. You can see them better. There's a lot of things to do with the sticker. I like the sticker as well. I like the big one though. The bigger one, usually the bigger one. I like to use this one in my logbook. When I do my kits. I also use Gems Flow as well. I kind of do it twice. I use Gems Flow, and I like to do, I'm old school, I like to do the paper and having the actual logbook and writing things down and writing my experience down and everything as well. So anyway, I digress. You get the stickers. You also get toolkit with every diamond painting you get. This is what the toolkit looks like. It tells you what's in it. You get your applicator, you get a grippy, you get 2 pieces of wax, you get the tray, you got tweezers in here because this one is a square kit. Square kits come with tweezers. Round kits do not come with tweezers. You also get some baggies in here. And then last but not least, you get your drills. Turn that around. And these are what the drills look like. They come packaged just like this. Look at that color story. Oh, yeah. That's gorgeous. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. That's 796? That's a gorgeous blue. So, yeah, you get your drills. And that's everything that comes in the box. So, next video, I'm going to front face my camera. And we're going to go over the drills. I'm going to show you the drills and what the colors look like and everything. So, hang tight, and I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I am back and I am going to show you the drills for my next whip I'm working on. This is Starry Night by Vincent Van Gogh, and I'm going to show you the drills, all the beautiful colors that are in that canvas. But first, let appreciation right now for the canvas that you see behind me. That is the light bearer that I finished last year. And wait a second, when I move over a little bit, look at that. That's the one I just finished. That's Golden by Erica the Goober. I just completed a video of that one, a post review. So go ahead and check that one out if you have not done so already. Let me pull me back over here. Next to the light bearer. So gorgeous. All right, let's go over these drills, okay? I've got 2 strips of drills to go over. I'm going to call out these numbers for you. Hopefully you can see it. I had to close my blind right quick because the sun is very bright. But it's beautiful, but it's bright. All right, here we go. Starting off, 3346. This is 783. 733. 3865 is this cream color. 414 is this steel gray color. 728, that's a beautiful yellow. 935 is olive green. 125, this is the only AB that's in this canvas. And it's this white AB with this iridescent coating on it. That's what AB stands for, Aurora Borealis. And that is a diamond or a drill with an iridescent coating that makes it sparkle a lot more. And it is gorgeous. It really brings out all the drills around it when you set these down on your canvas. Moving on, 3348, 799, 775, nope, 772. I can't read backwards. 3760 is this gorgeous blue. 3811. This is a beautiful like mint green. That's kind of gorgeous. I like that. This is 934. Whoops. 934 is that one. 310 is this one. 820. Gorgeous cobalt blue. Gorgeous. 597 is like a greenish blue, like an aqua color. 334 is light blue. And 3755 is another shade of light blue. This one is a little bit darker than this one. You can kind of see it, the difference in those blues there. 796 is this blue. This was like blurple. This was like a blue purple, maybe blurple. It's like what I like to call it. Anyway, all right. Next up, we got a few more drills to go over, guys. We have here 809, 809, and 912, and 823 is this one here. 797, 939, 322, and last but not least, 798. So Yep, that's all the drills that are in the canvas Starry Night. Again, this is the canvas that I'm working on. Is this one here. This is Starry Night from the great artist Vincent van Gogh. I cannot wait to do this one. It's small, like I said in my other video before this. It's small in size, but it has a lot of confetti. So I'm going to start it today. I'm going to kit it up. I'm going to start it, and let's see how long it takes me. I go back to work next week, so you know, it may take a little bit longer because it has a lot of confetti, and then I'll be back at work. So life will be lifing all over again. But with that being said, thank you so very much for watching my video. Again, if you are new, or if you're new, hit subscribe. If you're not new, share the video, like the video, leave a comment for me. Tell me what it is that you're working on. I hope everybody is safe out there, because like I had mentioned before, we've had some nasty snow, bad weather. Like I got like 8-9 inches of snow out there, and it's like below 0 temperatures. Everything is closed. It's a hot mess. But tell me, what are you doing on the snow day? What are you working on right now? What have you finished? I'm enjoying watching your videos for your finishes for the end of the year. I've been watching a few of those, and I like those. So those are some of my favorite videos to watch. But let me stop rambling so I can get started. I got to kit this up, and I got to get started. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day.